Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Laptop 4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Laptop 4 is running exceptionally slow and takes an eternity to open applications, you are not alone. This common issue is often caused by a failing SSD, which can lead to frustrating delays and decreased productivity. If left unaddressed, this problem could worsen, potentially resulting in data loss or complete device failure. For this repair, you will need a Torx screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage, and a replacement SSD compatible with your Surface Laptop 4. To begin, ensure you power down your Surface Laptop 4 completely and disconnect it from any power source. Use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover, starting from one of the corners. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Once inside, locate the SSD, which is typically secured by 1 or 2 screws. Using the appropriate Torx screwdriver, remove these screws, being careful not to drop them inside the device. Gently lift the SSD out of its slot, ensuring you do not touch any other components nearby. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new SSD and insert it into the slot at a slight angle before pressing it down firmly. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Next, carefully replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are aligned and snap into place. Once the cover is secured, power on your Surface Laptop 4. If everything has gone to plan, your device should boot up much faster and run smoothly. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check your SSD's health using diagnostic tools and consider backing up your data frequently. Keeping your operating system and drivers updated can also help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.